How to deposit check on Cash App. So if you want to deposit check on your Cash App using your phone, simply first of all, once you've opened up your Cash App application and made sure that you're logged in, you'll see this type of interface where from here you have to come to the home tab that you would be able to find from the bottom left. Once you come to the home tab, you will see this type of interface where you'll find the option called checks that says deposit money with your phone. And once you've done that, you have to simply make sure to enter your check amount and then just tap on the confirm amount option that you can find there. As soon as you've done that, it will ask you to confirm the front side of the check. So make sure that you've confirmed the front side of the check there and click on the confirm front of check option and then confirm back of check, and make sure that you take a photo of the front side as well as the back side and hit the submit button there. And once you've submitted your check, Cash App will actually verify whether or not it is accurate and then actually put the money into your Cash App account. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then deposit check on Cash App. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.